What's up guys, welcome back to another video. The day that I was installing the hardtop, I was running out of time and it was getting dark pretty quick, and it was actually supposed to rain that day or that night, and it did, but the hardtop's on. So I filmed just the stuff that I had to do to install the brackets and be able to install the hardtop. So I hope you guys enjoy this little video, and after it I'll show you a little bit more of the hardtop and how it looks and everything else. hope you guys enjoyed that little video, and now I can show you a little bit more of the hardtop from the inside. Here's the part that I didn't show you guys. 3 bolts there, 3 bolts down there that I showed you. It was pretty simple to install. All of these rubber seals were pretty easy to put on. And it rained the day right after I installed the hardtop, so no water leaked inside, which is good. And I really don't hear wind noise when I'm driving, but this thing looks pretty sweet. I like it, and I like the bigger window too. You get a bigger window back there. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.